One Monday morning, four best friends, Chloe, Kai, Rose, and Beatrice, walked to school while happily chatting and laughing together.
Good morning, everyone. We should hurry. We don't want to be late again. Remember, guys, we still have class after. You are always early.
As they passed a quiet street, they overheard Aling Nene talking with another neighbor about a man named Junior.
Did you hear about Junior? Yes, people say he become violent whenever his condition gets worse. Everyone should stay away from him. That's scary. It's probably a rumor. Let's keep going.
Although the girls felt uneasy after hearing the conversation, they knew it was only a humor and continued walking to school. After school, the four friends took the same shortcut on their way home. While walking, they suddenly heard footsteps behind them.
Did you hear that? Someone's following us.
They looked around, but they saw nothing. Without warning, Junior appeared carrying a knife. They looked back and saw Junior.
Hello. Leave my friend alone.
You're not scared to me?
No, I don't.
While Chloe defends Rose, the two friends asked for help.
Find people to help us. What happened to them? Oh, there.
What happened?
What happened? Help us. Our friends are in danger.
Where are they?
You're helping them.
Yes,
I'm curious.
Let's go!